woke up 10 minutes ago, still very tired from the night before. So we're doing our makeup in the car on the way to the boat.
And we have Dylan with the girls.
Yep.
It's Dylan and the gals.
And Ali. Are you ready, guys? Are you guys excited for the boat?
So excited.
And it's a gorgeous day.
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Yeah. Hello YouTube channel, welcome to my crib. In today's episode of MTV Cribs, you will see that I live on a boat. And over here, we got the driver's seat. This is where you drive the boat, like so. We're still docked. And then over here, if you'll come over here with me, over here, this is where you get tanned, like so. And then over here,
we're about to get moving.
Over here. This is where we just sit down, over here, like so. And then coming over here.
Lex, all right, we'll get back to
I hope
guys.
you guys know I'm just joking. I'm not really like this.
I hope you're having a good time. We're going to dinner right now. We're just hanging out all day long. And then who knows what we're going to do after dinner. But
yeah, might go to Miami. But this place is so good if you're in Boca.
Thank you guys.
No, come on, man, you gotta hit it.
Oh!
Ready? Yeah. What up? It's Pull Up VIP, the celebrity driver. You know how we do it.
Oh!